how to make a transparent header in Shopify. To do this, we have to go to our online store first. That's on the left-hand side here where it says online store. You just click on that. Make sure you're in themes from the drop down here. And now right next to customize, you see these three dots. We want to click on that, and from here we want to go to edit code. Now what we want to do now is we want to close all these folders here so we can find what we're looking for more easily. You just go to assets from here, the assets folder, and you want to go to this one here where it says base.css, and from here I need to scroll down all the way to the bottom here until I see this closing bracket, and I want to go to the previous one before that, and I'm going to hit enter. And now I can paste this here. You want to make sure you paste this exact thing, like dot header hyphen wrapper bracket and so on. You just want to type in all of this and exactly as you see it, and once you're done with that, you go up here and click on save, and that should fix it. As you can see here, it says asset saved. And yeah, that's how you make a header, a transparent header in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.